This is not a normal helicopter. This is the largest and most powerful helicopter America has ever built.
Creating a machine this huge requires thousands of parts, working together with extreme precision.
3 powerful engines give this giant the strength to carry incredible loads. Every movement begins with these massive blades, creating the force to lift a 40-ton machine. After years of engineering, the giant finally wakes up. A helicopter this large was never supposed to look so powerful in the sky. Its mission is simple: move what other helicopters cannot. Its mission is simple: move what other helicopters cannot. Behind this enormous machine is one of the most advanced helicopter cockpits ever created. The King Stallion is more than a helicopter. It is a flying engineering masterpiece.
The power of this helicopter is controlled by a digital brain, designed to manage thousands of systems.
At the center of the helicopter is a complex gearbox, transferring enormous engine power to the rotor. To survive extreme forces, the King Stallion uses advanced lightweight composite materials.
Landing this giant requires precision, power, and complete control.
The King Stallion was built to operate from land bases and ships around the world. With advanced sensors and avionics, this giant can operate day or night. Standing beside other helicopters reveals the true size of this machine. The technology developed for this helicopter will influence the future of aviation. Decades of helicopter innovation led to this incredible machine. From the factory floor to the battlefield, the King Stallion represents the future of heavy aviation. Subscribe to Technology Aircraft for more incredible machines.